Good morning. Today we shall be doing factors and multiples. We shall learn about properties of factors. In my last class, I have told you, I have shown what are factors of a number. So today we will learn about the properties of factors. Let me explain with an example. Question: find the factors of 24. So I have to find the factors of 24. I shall be doing some rough work. You also have to do. If I tell you to find the factors of any number, you have to do, or you have to find the factors by doing some rough work. 24, if I divide it by 1, it is 24. This is short division. I have given you some ideas in my last class. 24, if I divide it by 2, in 2 it is 1, in 4 2 is divisible 2 times. If I divide 24 by 3, it is 8 times. If I divide 24 by 4, this is 6 times. If I divide 24 by 8, this is 3 times. But here you can see 3 and 8, 8 and 3. These are repeating. These numbers started repeating. So here, from here, we shall stop doing the division. Our division will be up to this now. When we start getting the repeating factors, then we shall stop the division. So therefore 24 is equal to 1 into 24. Then again 24 is equal to 2 into 12. 24 is equal to 3 into 8. 24 is equal to 4 into 6. Now we shall discuss the properties. Number 1. 1 is factor of every number. Factor of every number. So you can see 1 is factor of every number. You can divide every number by 1 and you get the same number. Property number 2, every number is a factor of itself. 24 is a factor of 24. By the way, what are the factors? The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. All the numbers starting from here to here are the factors. So every number is a factor of itself. So 24 is a factor of 24. Property number 3, every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. The highest factor of every number is either equal or less than the value of this. You can see the highest factor is 24 of 24. So you cannot get a greater factor than 24. All the values will be less than 24. That is the property number 3. Property number 4, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So if you divide, if you can see there is no remainder, you will not get any remainder for any factor of a, after division you will not get any remainder. And number 5, every number has finite number of factors. Every number has finite number. You cannot get infinite number of factors. You will have finite numbers of factors for every number. For 24, how many factors we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 24 has 8 factors. So you go through the properties and check with your answer with this, comparing this. There is a question. The product of two numbers is 40. Their sum is 14. Find the numbers. So the product of two numbers, that means if A and B are two numbers, their product is 40. So we have to find the factors of 40, because if their product is 40, then these and these two are what? These two are factors of 40. So let us find the factors of 40. 40, if we divide by 1, it is 40. 40 if we divide by 2, it is 20. 40 if we divide by 4, we cannot divide by 3, because if we divide by 3 there will be remainder. For to be a factor, there should not be any remainder, it should be exactly divisible. So here we get 10. If I divide 40 by 5, we get 8. 6 we cannot divide, 7 we cannot divide, 8. But what? This is repeating. 5 into 8, 8 into 5. So we shall stop our calculation here itself. 40 is equal to 1 into 40. This one. 40 is equal to 2 into 20. Again 40 is equal to 4 into 10. 40 is equal to 5 into 8. So the numbers can be, these two numbers can be any number. A can be 1, B can be 40. But the sum should be 14. If I add 1 and 40, we get 40. So it is not correct. This is not our answer. 2 into 20 is also 40. If I add these two, the sum is 22. 2 plus 20 is 22. It should be 14. So this is also not the correct answer. We are searching for. Next, 4 and 10. 4 plus 10, the sum is 14. So the two numbers A and B are what? 4 and 10. Therefore the two numbers or two factors are 4 and 10. If we multiply 4 and 10, we get 40. If we add 4 and 10, we get 40. If we add 4 and 10, we get 40. Before I move to the next topic, one correction. Just sometime before, I have told you that the sum of these two factors of 40, 1 and 40 is 40. Actually, it is not 40, it should be 41. Sorry for this mistake. The next topic is multiples. Multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying the number by natural numbers. If we multiply a certain number by natural numbers, then we get the multiples of that certain number. Suppose we are going to find the multiples of 5. 1 is a natural number, 7 is natural number, 10 is natural number, 100 is natural number. Any number starting from 1 to infinity in positive, with positive value, those are natural numbers. So multiply any natural number by 5, that will be the multiple of 5. So here multiples of 5, 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 7 is 35, so 35 is a multiple of 5, 5 is a multiple of 5, 5 into 10 is 50, 50 is a multiple of 5, 5 into 5 is into 100 is 500, so this 500 is a multiple of 5. So multiples of 5, you can write 5, 35, 50, 500 from this data. One question, write the first 5 multiples of 13. See the term first. So you have to begin with the first natural number, that means 13 into 1. This is the first natural number. So first natural number into 13, that is 13. First 5 multiples of 13. 13 into 2 is 26. 13 into 3 is 39. 13 into 4 is 52. 13 into 5 is 60. So these are the first 5 multiples of 13. In that way you have to find the multiples of any number.